Hello, it's been a long time, I know it, but I've had a lot of requests to do another microwave versus oven. I thought no better than White Castle burgers. There's actually no instructions on the back of this container showing how to do it in the oven. It's just microwave instructions here. So I actually looked up some instructions that used to be on the box to do them in the oven, and you need one of these, which is a boiler pan. There's a pan already in the oven warming up with some water underneath it, and you set it on top, and the steam basically comes through and cooks the burgers. You're basically steaming them in a way, but you're supposed to, cover this with aluminum foil on top of the burgers. I'm going to coat the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to put the cover on top. And then I'm going to leave two out for the microwave to do by the microwave instructions. So, anyways, it's the 100th anniversary of White Castle, and I thought these would be great for the video. So, anyhow, let's see. I'll tell you the instructions in the oven. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Barely cover the bottom of a boiling pan with steaming hot water, which the water's in there already getting hot. Remove frozen burgers from the wrappers. Separate. See that? I don't know if I'm supposed to separate the burger or leave them intact. I assume you just leave it intact. I think they mean separate it from the package. I'm pretty sure that's what they mean. And then cover the hamburger on the slotted portion, which that's what this is, the slotted portion. And then, let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes if frozen, and 10 to 15 if they're thawed. But these have been sitting out for a little bit, but I'm not sure if they're technically thawed out yet, so let's check it out. It's a shame there's no White Castles around me. I can't go to the restaurant, so it's nice that they have this option where you can buy some burgers. There's 2 per pack. So these are the ones that I'm going to do in the oven. Then I'll do these in the microwave. I'm going to consider these still frozen. I'm going to do it at the longer time. So basically you want to get this pan, get some aluminum foil. But if you're going to do this part, you definitely want to go poke your holes. It would be better to do from the bottom. I don't know how that is on your ears, but I apologize. Kind of like a Freddy movie. That's what it makes me think of. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to spray it. Lightly spray it. Okay, remove the burgers. Check. Smell them already. And then you got to cover it. I hope I have enough foil to cover this thing. I pulled out the jankiest thing of foil that I could get. I didn't know it was so wrapped up like that. I think you want to try to leave a bit of a gap in between, so it's not like directly covering the burger. So kind of like that, as best as you can do, I guess. And then we put it in the oven for, what was it, 15, 20 minutes? I'm going to say 15 to 20. You can see it steaming there a little bit, at least I can. So then these will go into the microwave, and the microwave fully thawed. Now I'm going to say they're still frozen. Remove. Place sliders on a microwave safe plate with the bottom buns up. Oh, so like that. Wrapped in a food grade paper towel with the open ends tucked under the top bun. Microwave on high for 40 seconds, so I'm going to have to wait on these. Turn sliders over and microwave for 40 more seconds on a high setting. Cool sliders in the microwave for 1 minute and enjoy. Excellent. And like I always say in all my videos, I promise, Scout's honor, to tell the truth whether the microwave or the oven's better. My personal opinion before I go into this, the oven's going to be better. But you never know. It might be pretty good. Let's see. Let me get a paper towel and get these ready for the microwave. But I'm going to wait because the oven's going to take a little bit to cook the burgers. Okay. So you do the first side upside down. Let's see. So about like that. That'll do. That's upside down. So, okay. Got to wait on the oven, and then we'll get back at it. I also thought, like with the burgers, I could have some aired fried tater tots. I'm allowed to have. What am I allowed to have today? I can have 145 grams. I may try to go lower because I won't have any room in my caloric intake for the day for some ketchup. If I go 145 grams, I'm going to see how many I can go. Let's see. So I'm going to weigh it here on my scale. I got my scale here. Not sure if you're supposed to weigh them frozen, but I mean, it'd be a big pain in the butt to defrost a whole bag of tater tots. So I'm going to do these in the air fryer. I'm not sure if I said that earlier. So let's see. Let's get on grams. There's 124. Let's see if we can get on 100. Oh, that's too much. See if I can get down to like 1. Now that's 124. That's not many. But if I want ketchup, I'm going to have to do that. 124. So that gives me 39 calories to work with, so I can have some ketchup. How you do these in the air fryer, you want to warm your air fryer up. Oh, this is my air fryer. think you'd warm it to like 370, but you want to coat these with some Pam or this oil here, canola oil. This one, it says it's 0 calories. I don't know if that means in a certain portion it's 0 calories, probably, but I'm not going to get that bad off about it. I'm going to go let this heat up. So I can have some ketchup, so I want to see how much I can do here. It's a new bottle. Hunt's ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Not catsup. So I already entered in my White Castle burgers, which I planned on eating them all. This is going to be my dinner. Oh, not snack. The White Castle burgers, it came up to 1,020. See how much of this I can have. 17 grams is 20 calories. I could go over 17 a little bit. It's 18, 22, 23. Let's see if I 23. Is cutting it down to the wire just a little bit more. 28. Okay, that leaves me with 6 calories. I can't go anymore. So here's 28 grams ketchup for my tater tots. Then I want to just set it on the table. Nothing on. Tater tots are in there. Okay, let's go about 12 minutes. Okay, the tater tots are cooking, but before this stuff gets too cold, here's the microwave. Let's uncover them now. I got some A&W 0 calories, or 0 sugar they call it now. I guess they're not allowed to call it 0 calories, so got that to drink. Have all these high calorie things. Why do you drink the 0? To save on the calories. This is microwave. It's not bad. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. It's pretty similar to a White Castle hamburger when you go out and get them. I thought I might try some mustard since this is 0. Because don't they put mustard on them at the store? Now let's try one in the ovens before I try the mustard. Because we got one more microwave one. The bun's a lot softer on the oven one, that's for sure. I can't say I hate the microwave though, compared to the time it took to make it. That's pretty good. I just don't know if it's worth it to go through all the trouble on the oven than it is the microwave, because I don't think the microwave's that bad, but these do taste better. But not by a whole lot, which is surprising. That's my tater tots. Okay, tater tots are here. You gotta have that salt. I know I'm bad about it. I'm going to try mustard on this one. A little bit of mustard. See if that improves it any. Like, you can definitely just tell the difference in the bun. The bun's a lot tougher. The taste of its meat does taste better, but not by a whole lot. I'm surprised. I'm saying it's pretty close. I mean, I don't hate it this way. If I was trying to save time, I would definitely just do it like this. Adding of the mustard does make it taste more like the store. That's it for the microwave. I'll try a tater tot while we're at it. Sorry, tater tots in the air fryer way better than French fries. Probably because they're already pre-cooked, but they taste really good out of the air fryer. Let's try some mustard on an oven one. Yeah, the cheese is a lot different on the oven one. Like, it looks like cheese that you just, like you got it from the store. It is a lot better than the microwave. I don't hate the microwave though. These do taste pretty similar. So if you got a boiler pan like that, definitely try it out. Put a little bit of water in the bottom. Do it by the directions that I said earlier, but these are really good. I'm surprised. I didn't think I'd like them this much, but they taste almost like you got them from the restaurant. And they've been in my deep freeze for, oh gosh, probably about 2 or 3 weeks now. So there it is. For the 100th anniversary of White Castle, go out there and get you some frozen White Castle burgers. I'm enjoying them more than I thought. I'm definitely going to get some more. The addition of the mustard, I forgot, does help it. I think I did say that. But anyways, keep your nose clean, stay out of trouble. Thanks for joining me for my Saturday afternoon dinner before I go to work.